Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the market started to dump because the Fed chairman just said something that the market just became more bearish, as we can expect more rate hikes in the future. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and Crypto Minds. I'm bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you already haven't done so, and appreciate all your likes. You know, likes are helping out the YouTube algorithm. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening out there. And yes, so lots of redness that we see. Most of the altcoins are correcting. XRP, XDC and Conflux are in green for now. BTC is down almost 2%, heading towards 22,000 US dollar, and Ethereum is at 1,540, down 1.5%. I'm not sure why XRP is pumping, but a long time haven't seen XRP pumping. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. I think we are somewhere around 50, so we are in the neutral zone, but this is a lagging indicator, so we'll see tomorrow. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS Denkler on Twitter. Also be sure you are following Corion platform, CorionX, and also our NFT launchpad that connected to the CorionX ecosystem, laserpunk_gods, and also be sure that you are active in the laserpunk Twitter. So guys, let's go and check out what's happening here. Let's check this tweet. That this is about that Fed's Powell debt is growing faster than the economy, making it just unsustainable in the long run. So the debt is increasing faster than the economy, so this is not sustainable, but they can manage for the long time or a period for the short period of time. So Fed rate hikes likely to continue. 60% probability of 50 basis points hike during March FOMC meeting, and new data suggests that ultimate level of rates is likely to be higher than previously anticipated. If the totality of the data were to indicate the faster tightening is warranted, we would be prepared to increase the pace of rate hikes. So this is how the Fed funds futures looks like, and yeah, so some rate hikes is and right in front of us, and this is why the market to plummeting. And also we have some bad news, as usually some FUDs going around, but let's go and check out our first news that maybe you already know, that Binance team threatened over Binance USDs, tried to recruit Gary Gensler. Yes, so they tried to recruit Gary Gensler as an advisor a few years ago, and also they are stating when they started Binance US there was no clear regulation and everything just happened so fast, but for now they are just according to regulations and according to the law. But this looks me as a FUD, as Wall Street Journal started this, and you know Wall Street Journal is a mainstream media that targeting average people and also politicians that they don't know the real things what's happening here, but they can raise their voice. So Binance claims in nonsense while not rebutting US senators' concerns. Also senators like Senator Elizabeth Warren and others started to go against Binance. But at the end of the day, I think Binance US is a separate company like Binance Global, and there is no concern to take in place. So I think that everything will be fine. but this is how they can the market just to be threatened. So last piece of news is BTC may need to dip to 19,300 to cool Bitcoin profit taking. New data shows this profit taking reinforces resistance levels. Okay. Should the market return to 19,300, it would bring short-term hodlers MVRV back to value of 1.2, as indicate that spot prices have returned to the cost basis of the cohort of new buyers. So let's make this bigger. Bitcoin short-term hodlers MVRV estimation. So if Bitcoin would drop to 19,300, that would bring down this short-term cohort estimation. Bitcoin is transitional phase. I don't know why is from this lens. The market currently resides in a transitional phase bounded about the realized price of an older supply and also by the average whale that has been active since the 2018 cycle bottom. So this is why that 70% is already in profit. And yeah, cool. Next piece of news is, yeah, so there are some FUD and some attacks against Binance, especially Binance US in the US. And in the meantime, crypto exchange Kraken to launch new crypto bank in US amid regulatory issue. So guys, don't forget that the last week dump happened because the Silvergate bank is going out of business, maybe because crypto exchanges are leaving Silvergate, and now Kraken is about to launch its crypto, not just crypto, but its bank. So Wyoming-based crypto bank, despite the US Securities and Exchange SEC recent banning of the exchange staking service, so they are filing the bank licensing things. Kraken Bank is not open yet, but on its way. The offering will initially be available to existing Kraken clients in the US with potential international expansion in the future. Kraken has always been on the frontier of finance. Now we are blazing a new trail by opening a Wyoming-based crypto bank. We were calling it Kraken Financial, but due to overwhelming demand, it will be known as Kraken Bank. We are the first ever crypto company to be awarded a US state banking charter. It's known as a special purpose depository instruction of SPDI. We are still to work in a state of aligned with our philosophy and values. Wyoming is a rare and shining example of how fruitful regulation can drive innovation for fintech companies. So guys, congratulations to Kraken, and maybe Coinbase will become a bank one day. So next, Bitcoin burst to all-time high, perfectly feasible in 2023, according to analysts who predicted major BTC crash. So guys, who is that analyst? Dave the Wave. And let's quote. So 20,000 level list for reasons why a BTC rally up to its high at around 69,000 US dollar in 2023 is not an unreasonable expectation. A move to push previous BTC all-time highs this year is perfectly feasible. Less steep rate of appreciation, plenty of time equal to the decline, only midway on the logarithmic growth curve channel. So we are in the midway, or at the lower level of the midway, 25% of the way there already. Perhaps positive to see BTC price in logarithmic curve by zone for a lengthy period. The easy money will be had by those who build a position, if not already long, rather than those who try to trade the short-term volatility. Of course, this involves time, and of course involves of a logarithmic curve model, which if had should always be hedged. So quite interesting. So we are at the lower curve trend line of the logarithmic curve regression or logarithmic curve chart. Next piece of news is institutional investors move money out of crypto markets for fourth straight week coin shares. So this is why we could assume that BTC and crypto topped out and correction is happening right now. Digital asset investment product saw minor outflows totaling US $17 million last week, marking the fourth consecutive week of negative sentiment. But this is just coin shares. This is just one firm serving institutional clients. Despite the recent inflows into short Bitcoin, total assets under management have risen by only 4.2% year to date, compared to long Bitcoin assets under management having risen by 36, suggesting short positions have not delivered the returns some investors expected this year. So they have short and long Bitcoin positions, and also Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Atom. Cool. So this is not a huge movement out of crypto, but this is what coin shares experiencing. Next piece of news is, guys, I'm talking to Bybit, and Bybit introduces a MasterCard powered debit card days after halting USD transfers. So Bybit is set to roll out a MasterCard powered debit cards, allowing users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency holdings. So guys, this is huge, and you know one of our favorite exchanges, Bybit, so definitely use Bybit. Find the link for sign up in the description, and you can earn huge deposit bonuses on Bybit. Cool. Next piece of news is crypto funding seen shifting from CeFi to DeFi after major collapse, according to CoinGecko. So decentralized stablecoins and Ethereum layer 2s are for investment opportunities with NFTFi on-chain derivative platforms that being looked at closely by one crypto investment firm. So these are the four narratives that we are also bullish on, and potential poised to DeFi as the new high growth area for crypto industry. The report says that the decrease in funding towards CeFi could point to the sector reaching degree of saturation. So AI data, social, NFT, mining, and GameFi. So guys, these are the new industries. Largest DeFi funding we've seen. Okay, I have bought an NFTFi token. So NFTFi is representing the NFT ecosystem, so we will look into it. NFTFi, NFT perp to launch. Just waiting to NFT perp to launch a token. Okay. So in the light of the FTX debacle and regulatory movements, we have seen renewed interest for on-chain derivatives platforms such as GMX, HNX, and Lira, all seeing record volumes. Stevia, decentralized stablecoins such as LUSD liquidity has also gained from the current regulatory environment. Cool. Liquidity and OP-R investments of Apollo of crypto. To make the biggest gains in crypto, you need to position yourself in the strongest narratives. Yes, so we are on that. So we are working on that. Cool, guys. So next huge piece of news will be about Amazon, what I will come with a dedicated video about Amazon tomorrow or in the next video. So Yuga Labs first Bitcoin NFT auction nets $16.5 million in 24 hours. Almost 300 bidders forked out just over 7 BTC for one of the 188 Bitcoin ordinals based NFTs up for auction. Okay, so that was an auction leaderboard. Yeah, so great to see that we have Bitcoin NFTs auctions. Cool. Guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Let's go back to Twitter. So definitely follow Corion platform and also laserpunk_guts. And let's go and check out Amazon. Will be the next news tomorrow. Things getting crazy before it's getting better. Shocking case, everything is security according to this tweet. Shocking new case filed by the SEC. The SEC has just filed a case aligning that selling crypto mining equipment and offering hosting services for the equipment constitutes as investment contract under Howey test. So this is crazy. Definitely check this out. The power of Bitcoin and dollar cost average purchase by Dylan McClare. Bitcoin is currently 67% down from all-time highs. However, if you began buying BTC daily starting on the day it reached the all-time high, 79,000 US dollar, your average purchase price would be at 25,800 US dollar for a current ROI of minus 13.3%. So this is how Bitcoin just stayed long time in these lower levels, and great to see that dollar cost averaging has so powerful effects. So we already talked these Fed things. 3 stages of Bitcoin bottoming. So bottoming formation, pre-halving run, and up only. Check out these charts from the Scalping Pro. So bottoming formation, pre-halving run, up only. Bottoming formation, pre-halving run, up only. So we are so early, just finishing the bottoming formation according to this chart. Give a like and share. So Bitcoin adoption could bring BTC to 10,000 US dollar per Bitcoin by 2028 according to Plan B, and this is the Bitcoin adoption S-curve, as Bitcoin adoption is fastening from this 2%, then the adoption curve can grow to 10%, then the Bitcoin price would reach 10 million US dollar. So definitely check out this tweet. And also there is other tweet when the S-curve is now at 1 to 5% and it's speeding up, that the adoption is going much faster. While structured Fibonacci pattern is repeating in Bitcoin, first target 50 and 0.0618. So now we are okay. So that was the previous one, and the first target is 50,000 US dollar, the 61.8 level for this movement. After each all-time high, Bitcoin retested after dropping back to the zero, then so dropping from all-time high and bottoming out, then the 61.8 would be at 50,000. For the first target 50,000, and next target is 150,000 for Bitcoin. And this is a similarity in 2019 and 2023. Monthly bullish RSI signal right crossing in close. Let's get this bullish impulse to break it. So bullish RSI crossing, and then can indicate a price appreciation. Give a like and share. DXY and BTC used to be inversely correlated. Expect the FTX dump in November 2022, and now we can expect also the DXY going down, and then would bring Bitcoin to the upper territory. Oh, we already talked about that, guys. Definitely watch this or listen this crypto space. That was the Wolf of Wall Street, Crypto Banter, Simon Dixon, and many others, great guys. Stablecoins market share changing amid regulatory developments by Will Clemente. So BUSD is down 10%, USDC market share is roughly unchanged, and Tether USDT market share up 8% according to this chart. So Bitcoin not Bitcoin, but stablecoin supply. Stablecoin movement shared that Tether issued stablecoin USDT market share is increasing. Stable assets are representing the future form of digital payment assets, and they have lots of benefits compared to other possibilities. Gaming is fueling Polygon and Matic, and definitely check this thread about Polygon. Halving in progress, 75% after halving, and that can start the pre-halving bull run very soon. So guys, let's go. One of the strongest signals of BTC finally flashed today, the cross in L-MACD indicator, and whenever the L-MACD indicator crossed, then the bull market has been started. So L-MACD, so this is the MACD with some special characteristic. Okay, key events, we already talked about that, and yes, we already told everything that we have here. So guys, definitely check out all other tweets that I shared with you on my Twitter feed. So Twitter is one of the main sources that you can get crypto information. So guys, let's go and check out the charts, and as we see, yes, not here but here, let's check. So Bitcoin just broke down. Also we can check it closer on the hourly. So Bitcoin broke down, and then our long position our short position has been opened, and also we are booking some profits here at those levels. So this is the main point, some taking some profits, and yeah, so if we are getting closer to 22,000, we are taking some profits, and maybe the downtrend will continue to the next level to watch is 21,400 and 19,300. So guys, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. So be sure you are following us on Twitter, and also be sure that you are providing some liquidity on PancakeSwap and looking up your LPs on our farms. You can earn nice juicy APIs with providing liquidity. And as we are heading into the NFT launchpad, I'm sure that stakers will get some special benefits in the whitelist, to be on the whitelist. So provide some liquidity and earn juicy APIs on our farms. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.